Dr. Vijay Parikh, plastic surgeon and cosmetic surgeon working in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, and I'm coming here regularly since last 3-4 years. My main interest is a liposuction, laser assisted liposuction that we call a SmartSculpt.
My name is Dr. Viraj Naithani Panchal. I'm a plastic surgeon trained in India, almost now about 17 to 18 years of experience. I was searching around, and then of course I always knew about laser liposuction, but then I came across Spectronix, and that's how it started.
First of all, laser. Laser is always, it's a main advantage to the patient, to the practice, and to the cosmetic surgeons. For smaller areas, you do a liposuction and then immediately you do a laser, the SmartSculpt. It gives a better result, it contracts a skin, it gives a pure tightening effect.
The people want something in local. Also, you spend less going to the surgical center. So because we work together, my idea was that why can't we do a major case in multiple sessions?
My name is Dr. Rionis Golsorki. I'm a specialist general surgeon. I work in a day surgery center near Al-Shifa in Dubai JLT. Laser by and large in liposuction has got a very specific place and is a very advanced place. And from the time that lipolysis came into picture, especially in Europe and in America, fell into place very well, and it with very good results. It attracted the attention of the cosmetic surgeons all over the world. As far as this laser machine is concerned, especially the SmartSculpt, very helpful and useful in this line. In my view, it can be used in laser assisted liposuction and also in laser lipolysis.
My name is Tamer Fadi Youssef. I'm from Egypt. I work as a professor of surgery, general surgery and plastic and reconstructive surgery. Here I'm a consultant of general and plastic surgery in Al Ain and in Dubai. Small volume liposuction with skin redundancy or in sensitive area like the chin will be, I think, also male gynecomastia may be the best options to use the laser liposuction. I like this easy. The learning curve I think will be fast. If you have already experience in liposuction, to add the smart lipo, it will be easy and it will be of increased value and the better result for your patients.
I will place small incision here, just half centimeter. Through that, first of all, local anesthesia, then small incision. And after just 10-15 minutes, we'll do a small liposuction. By syringe here, I will do by syringe. We have a section, no? We'll do that laser. That's a laser instrument.
Been here in UAE since the past about 3 years, and my experience here has been fantastic. I get almost 2 to 3 real patients coming in every day to ask about liposuction, various body parts. A lot of them come for double chin, as well as some areas of small areas of fat which are tucked in, very obstinate fat, which you can just kind of do it in your own center, which is very safe, very effective, and you get instant results almost. Patient can go home the same day. There's very little after post-procedure pain.
Each time you exchange experience, you exchange ideas and practice. So sharing experience for sure is very good for practice in medicine.
This can be done under local anesthesia. So it's a just come and go procedure. I'm using since last 2009 and I'm extremely happy with the machine and I'm hope for the good future.
I saw the procedure and of course I've been exposed to it before, but actually to start doing it in my own center, the little demo that I saw, it's very effective, it's very easy to do, very doable. You don't need a lot of instruments, you don't need a lot of paraphernalia.
Cases that you want less downtime, you want fast recovery, and you want the patients to actually be more comfortable. I think it's a very good equipment, and basically laser lipolysis is an advanced technology in body reshaping, body contouring, which is really in vogue now.
Patients always feel that they are opting for the new advanced treatment. That's probably a main satisfaction for them. Everything is clear. Patient can hear everything, patient can watch everything, and patient feel that they have an immediate result.
Spectronix is fantastic. I've been watching your movements during the conferences, during the workshops, and you always I've seen that you always bring the best to Dubai, and that's fantastic.
Actually, I'm attached with Spectronix since last 2004. Our relations become more thicker after I think 2008, 2009. Since last 4 years, I think I'm a part of it. It's just like a family in Dubai. So I'm enjoying working here. It's a thrilling to come in Dubai for work, enjoying the hospitality and work satisfaction. So I'm definitely happy.